Revision on General Knowledge. History. The Renaissance. The Reformation. And the Industrial Revolution. A period where there was great desire for knowledge was known as the Renaissance. The Renaissance started in Italy. Another name for Renaissance is reawakening or rebirth of learning. What is another name for the reawakening of learning? The revival of learning. The person who painted the Transfiguration was Raphael. The person who established the first printing press was John Gutenberg. The man who printed many books during the Renaissance was William Caxton. The person who painted the Last Supper was Leonardo da Vinci. The Reformation. A movement that in the 16th century that brought changes in the Catholic Church and gave rise to Protestantism was known as the Reformation. The 95 points against the Catholic Church were written by Martin Luther. The Renaissance started in Italy while the Reformation started in Germany. One cause of the Reformation was the sales of indulgences. The person who founded the Jesuit Society was Ignacio Loyola. The father of Reformation was Martin Luther. The father of Reformation was Martin Luther, while the father of navigation was Prince Henry the Navigator, who was sent to preach the indulgence in Germany. Tetzel, who was known as the Morning Star of the Reformation. John Wycliffe. One main effect of the Reformation was that it caused the establishment of Protestant churches. The Industrial Revolution. A change from hand-made things to the use of machines was known as the Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution started in Germany and it covered the period 1670 to 1830. Some persons, their invention and dates were James Watt. First reliable steam engine. 1775. Eli Whitney cotton gin. Interchangeable parts for muskets. 1793 to 1798. Orville and Wilbur Wright. First airplane. 1903. Samuel F. B. Morse. The telegraph. 1836. Elias Howe. Sewing machine. 1844. Isaac Singer. Improves and markets Howe's sewing machine. 1851. Cyrus Field. Transatlantic cable. 1866. Alexander Graham Bell. Telephone. 1876. Thomas Edison. Phonograph and incandescent light bulb. 1877 to 1879. Nikola Tesla. Induction electric motor. 1888. Rudolf Diesel. Diesel engine. 1892. Henry Ford. Model T Ford and large-scale moving assembly line. 1908 to 1913. Robert Fulton. Regular steamboat service on the Hudson River. 1807.